Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and this time I will show you guys how to get the new live wallpapers of the iPhone XS and the XS Max on any older device. So the process is pretty simple. You don't need a PC. All you have to do is just download a free app that I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video. So this is the app right here. It's called Video Saver. Just tap this button right here, and then all you need to do is just go here and just paste the link that I will leave right down below in the description of the video. Once you have done that, it will open this page right here where you will find the live wallpapers. So these are actually video files of these live wallpapers. So you can see once one starts playing, it will show you this download button. So let's just wait for that to download. Of course, it shows ads here and there because the app is free. So let's just wait for that to finish. And once it's done, just go here to songs and you will find that wallpaper saved right there. Click here to play it. Click this button right here and save to camera roll. Once you have done that, you can proceed to the next step. Now actually you will need to install another app called Into Live. This will allow you to basically turn this video file into a live wallpaper. Once you have installed Into Live, just go to your albums, go find the video where you have saved it, just click on it, it will load it, and all you have to do is just click there, make, and let's just wait here, click no repeat, and it's preparing right now. It's almost ready to go, and just click here, save live photos, and now you will be able to use it as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. All you have to do now is just go to the Photos app and just set it as the live wallpaper. So there it is. Now it has been saved as a live wallpaper. So you can see right there, first touch on it, it will show the animation. Just tap here and just tap use as a wallpaper, and you can see you will be able to set it as a live wallpaper. So that's pretty awesome. Click set it on the lock screen, and you will have the new iPhone XS and XS Max live wallpaper right here on all the devices. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you guys on the next one.